Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to record a phone call on iPhone. Now if you want to record a phone call on iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to record a phone call on iPhone, thing which you can do is you may simply screen record the iPhone while the call has been received, and if you want to show your friends the screen recording calls of a call which you have recorded, then you may simply do like steps I have shown in the video. So you may simply scroll from the Wi-Fi side at the very top, and here is the screen recording icon. So you'll see the option of white dot and a circle around it. So you may simply long press on the button like this, and you need to make sure that the microphone is enabled during this time, and you need to choose the options of what do you want to screen record of. So here is the option of WhatsApp business, and all of it, and simply option of photos. Now this is where screen recording will be set. Now after you receive the call, you may simply screen record the iPhone and your voice will be recorded on it. So, and the other thing which you can do is that you may use the third-party app. So you may also install any third-party app on your iPhone, and you may simply record the phone call on it. And the thing is that iPhone do not natively support recording call due to privacy and legal restrictions. So you can't simply record the phone calls on an iPhone, but you can try by screen recording the iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.